Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. My name is Nurse Augusta. Today we'll be talking about constipation in every age group. Then we'll look at the prevention in every age group as well. But we'll lay more emphasis on prevention of constipation and its immediate home remedies in children, especially in infants, that is children below 1 year, and in toddlers, like children between 1 year to 3 years. Because you as an adult, if you find it difficult to pull, you can easily do some things. But this age group, like the very young ones, they may not complain, but you see them being in pains. Now, lay more emphasis on how to help them live this constipation. Thank you. So to begin with, what is constipation? Constipation, simply put, means difficulty in passing stool, leading to the passage of very hard, dry, small stool. It means when your bowel movement becomes less frequent. So every individual has a particular way of bowel movement. Some people defecate once every day, some people twice daily, some individuals 3 times in 1 week. But now, as a person, when you now realize that your bowel movement is becoming less frequent, and you're not feeling that you don't empty your bowel as expected, and you find it difficult trying to poo, that is where you now know that I'm having constipation, that I'm being constipated. Now you see your child, this baby used to poo daily or 5 times in a week or 3 times in a week. At a point, you then realize that this child is no longer making feces as expected or as the baby used to. Now the baby now strains to defecate. That is constipation. So what are the possible causes of constipation? We have so many things that can cause it. 1, low intake of water. 2, reduced exercise. 3, when you take food that is less in fiber, like you take more of white bread, low residue diet, they can cause constipation. Additionally, increased intake of milk. Yes, they have a way of causing constipation. Also, pregnancy. Yes, pregnancy can cause constipation. So these are the things that can cause constipation. Even people that have a problem with the anatomical formation of their gastrointestinal tracts, these things can cause constipation. Now, what are the signs and symptoms? It is almost generalized in the sense that the signs affect every person. Once you are constipated, the first sign you get to know that you are constipated or a certain person is constipated is difficulty in passing stool and passage of very dry, hard, small stool. Additionally, the person will be feeling full or feeling that the bowel is not completely emptied. Some people have abdominal cramping, like pains every time, and bloating, like your tummy is gassing. So these are the signs and symptoms of constipation. Then let's look at the remedies to constipation. What can you do to salvage this problem? So as an adult, please increase the intake of water. Take more water. Yes, take extra glasses of water, like drink more of water. You can take extra 2 to 4 glasses of water in a day to help move your bowel. Additionally, you can engage in exercise. Be more free, engage in more physical exercises. This will help to push out the feces along the GIT. Another thing is to avoid ignoring or delaying the urge to poo. Most individuals, when they have the urge to poo, they try to ignore it or delay it or suppress it. What are you suppressing it for? Try to, whenever you have the urge, find a nearest convenient room, go and ease yourself to prevent unnecessary constipation. One other thing is take early morning water. Once you get up in the morning, get a warm water. Yes, preferably get water from your flask, mix it with normal room temperature water. Take 1 full glass of warm water in the morning. It will help you to pass your early morning stool, so you'll be free for the rest of the day. Like I said earlier, engage in exercise. Then take foods high in fiber, add vegetables, add fruits as much as possible. Then eat whole grains, like all these cereals, like corn. Take more of them, take water. It will help to prevent constipation. Then for this other special age group, like infants and toddlers, how can you help them? They cannot take up to 4 glasses of water in a day. No matter how you try to force them, they will not. Now you tell them to engage in exercise. How can a baby less than 1 year be doing exercise? There are things you can do to help them relieve this constipation in this age group. So that brings us down to what we call stewed apple. Yes, what is stewed apple? Stewed apple means when you get this apple, green apple, can get the green one, can get the red one. What do? Quickly cut it into 2. Make another cut here, like into 4. Then remove the seeds inside. Then peel out this outer skin. Yes, every mother can do it. It is very easy and simple, and it's very, very helpful. It works like magic. Just try it. Peel out this outer skin because it can cause choking in children, and if you are blending it, it doesn't blend so well. So remove this outer hard skin. Leave this inner one that is very soft. Then make this one, chop them into smaller pieces, into smaller chunks. After chopping them into smaller chunks, all of them, then you have something like this. Yes, you put it in a small pot. Add some water in that small pot. It will not up to just 100 ml of water just to cover the chunks of apple in a pot. Then boil it for like 5 to 10 minutes. After boiling it, what do? Pour it out in a bowl, in a small plate, allow it to cool a little. Then you blend it, put it in your blender, blend it. After blending it, it will form something like a paste, a thick paste. If you don't have blender, you can use your fork, use something or use a wooden spatula to mash it. After mashing it, you get this paste. What do you now do with it? If this baby can tolerate and has started tolerating feeds, because mostly it affects children from 6 to 7 months up, what do you now do? Make the baby's food. If the baby used to take pap, like up to 300 ml of pap or 200 ml of pap, depends on what your baby tolerates. Then now make half of the usual portion of food you used to give this child. Then scoop this stewed apple that I have already processed. Mix it to the baby's food. Add the milk and milk. Assume you want to make pap for this baby. Now make a smaller portion, like half of the initial quantity the baby used to take. Then scoop some of this apple, like half of the apple you processed. After you must have made the pap, keep it, allow it to cool. When the pap is now warm, you're about feeding your baby. Scoop this apple stew you have made, add it to the pap, mix it very well. Add your milk, then feed the baby. Some other babies, like up to 1 year, 2 years, that can take the stewed apple like that, you can feed them with that stewed apple. Then within 5 hours, even in less than 5 hours, the baby will make a smooth bowel movement. Yes, the baby will just go and poo, no stress. It works like magic. Then, if this baby too cannot tolerate this feed, maybe the baby takes golden moon and baby doesn't take pap, you add the stewed apple to the golden moon, mix it together and give. If the baby can, even the younger ones that are just below 1 year, you notice that this baby can still tolerate the apple plain like that. Just give the baby like that, then give the baby small water. Give her few time. The baby will have the urge to poo. So you have to do these things very well. In as much as you are preparing it, please make sure you make everything clean. Maintain hygiene as much as possible so I don't introduce more microbes to the baby. Don't forget to wash this apple. First thing, wash it with salt and water. Then make sure that every other thing you are using are well washed. After washing it, cut it. Peel out the outer skin like I said. Boil, blend or mash. Then add to the baby's food. Feed the baby. Give the baby just a few hours. The baby will quietly move to the toilet and poo. Thank you for watching. Please like my videos, share and comment. So far, I appreciate you all. Thank you.